Charles Darwin was an English naturalist known for being the most influential scientist who established the biological evolution theory through the natural selection. Darwin traveled to different islands. One of them was the Galapagos in Ecuador. Then he studied the characteristics that the island had with its own habitat and ecosystem. In the Galapagos Island, he found different types of turtles that were giant because they needed to survive on the ecosystem. Also, he found different species of native birds known as the Darwin finches. They are known because they adapt to this close and rapidly changing environment. These are the most important facts that Darwin found in the island. Arthur Russell Wallace. He was a naturalist like Darwin. He published some of Charles Darwin's writings in 1855. Also, he helped Darwin with some evolution ideas. Darwin became with the idea or mechanism which called natural selection, which consists on changes that are made for survival in a certain area. In his book named Origin of Species, he published how the species changed through the history for survival.
Hi, my name is Javier Corella and I will talk about the Darwin's postulates. The first postulate is about living forms are not static, but they evolve. Species change constantly. Some will originate and others will extinct. This says that the species will change in a constant way because of its necessities and its environment. It will change to improve the life and to make better the species. Second postulate. Evolutionary process is gradual, slow and continuous without sudden changes and discontinuous breaks. Okay, this says that, for example, humans were in this phase. This is the origin, but the ape got to this, an intelligent species called Homo sapiens sapiens. This process of evolution late a lot of years. It was not quickly. It need a lot of years to make the evolution exist. So the third postulate is similar organisms all related and come from a common ancestor. All living organisms can be tracked down to a unique origin of life. Here I will post this image that says that all the evolution, the evolution species, no matter what, if the ancestor or the most intelligent and evolutionate species, they are connected by chemical properties and genetic properties too. And no matter how years have passed, they have similar mind and body parts that are related from one to another, because they are family. In a very weird way to say it, they are family and they will always be connected. And the last one, natural selection is key in two phases that explain the whole system. The first phase, variability, the appearance of spontaneous modification in the individuals. The second phase, selection through survival in the struggle to life. The fittest individuals, the ones that are born in favorable spontaneous modifications to cope with the environment, will survive. Here I will put this. This says that the first phase, that is the appearance of spontaneous modifications individuals. Well, when the credit was going to crash the earth, the big cockerel got into a middle species that was no small, but there was no big eagle, so they can hide into the water and not be hurt or killed, its species, by the crater. Now, the second phase is the selection or survival of stronger of life. The fittest animals will survive, like the cockerel or small species survive because of its size, so they could hide into the water and hide into small places because of their size. That is in a metaphoric way, the stronger animals, well, the smallest, and the water animals, because they could survive because of It's evolution that let them survive and preserve their species with the law of the fittest individuals and the spontaneous modifications. These are the theories of Darwin that made up a bigger theory. Why are we here and how? And that's gonna be the answer. It's gonna be very long to be answered by life experience, but the life will give you the opportunity. We just have to take it. Thanks.